Now we pause the music, whatever arises. We love that.
Where are we going?
Here you see GurUncle
We going there? Yeah. There.
paddling the boat home.
You go.
We've had a beautiful day
You go. You.
in the most amazing part of Nirvana, Pokhara. What was the name of the lake?
Peva
This-
Lake.
Keva Lake.
Feva.
Peva.
Feva.
Peva Lake.
F-E-A-W-S.
It's beautiful.
Oh, film us.
Yeah, we're filming.
This is danger. This is American hero.
This is our beautiful day
Operation.
on the lake in Pokhara, drinking some heavenly wine, just feeling fine.
Drinking wine.
Not-
I'm feeling fine.
Not the red wine.
Not the red wine or the white wine. No, not the rosé, but the champagne. And then, and you know how to sing this song. I know you. You are the god of battle.
Yeah, we've been having the most beautiful day in Nirvana. It's
Going there,
just floating,
drinking
flying,
wine.
thing to do, just be you.
feeling fine.
Life is crazy when you let go. Let go, let's go.
He's such an uncle. He's such a lovely uncle. Very good uncle. Signing off is GurUncle.
GurUncle. Do you have anything to say about letting go?
There's nothing to say.
Exactly.
Every word is a waste of time
It's a
because you
half-truth.
have to stick to words which is not letting go. In order to let go, you have to sometime open your fucking hands and let go.
Let it be.
Let it be. Let it be. Let it be. Yo,
Listen
let
to
it
some
be.
The Beatles.
Whisper words of
John
wisdom.
Let it be. And all you need is love.
Oh, that's I mean, the Beatles are seriously the most. They've been to all the Maharishi yogis in India. They created Sgt. Pepper Lonely Heart Club Band. They are gods. Name: Paul, Ringo, John, and George. The Beatles.
Jesus.
The 1960 sensation that burst on the stage after Elvis Presley, who was their inspiration because they were connected as family. And then Michael Jackson came, and then Paul Anka came, and then a whole movement started of rewriting music.
Prince.
While the classical bourgeoisie is still sticking to operas of Verdi and Concerto and Tintoretto and Nontoletto and Toiletto. Where is the toilet? Hey, toiletto, ma che co? Ah, ma un grande disastro. Sei un disastro monumentale. I can speak like a god in foreign languages.
You always speak like a god.
I am a god.
Who are you?
I know what I am. But I'm still on a journey that has been written in the holy books as a messiah, but as a confused messiah. And they call me GurUncle and they throw names at me, and I'm very fearful I have to leave this place to somewhere there.
Up
But
there.
nobody knows.
Nobody know in the corner over
I'm there in the corner. I see sunrise, sunset, every day in the here and now. And I'm free because I can fly very high. I have every movie, every country, every world, every Ferrari, every sports car, every fly high in me. Om Mani Padme Hum, Om Mani Padme Hum.
Hare Krishna.
Every day.
Every
day.
every
Wine,
second.
Feeling fine. No?
Every day of the second, every second of the deck, every second,
Drinking wine.
drinking wine, feeling fine, hey. And cheap wine. This very cheap wine.
Yeah.
This okay. Let's see. That's Big Master.
Big
Royal-
Master.
No. Royal Big Master, the master of the masters.
master of the master.
God
Yeah,
bless.
and there are two ways to the teaching: the master of the masters or the master of disasters. Disaster is very bad.
Yeah.
Agori.
Oh my God. I think no more battery this one. Oh, it's your phone.
Yes,
oh,
my
don't
phone.
drown, don't drown. Do you need a life?
Oh, what's up, brother?
Hey, man.
How are you?
An empty bottle as a floating device? Okay, I can't throw, I might hit.
It's a fucking amazing life in Nepal. If you ever have the opportunity, go to Nepal. You barely need money here. You just float. Get here if you can. Or don't.
No, do. But behave. No plastic. Plastic, no
No.
fantastic.
You gotta
plastic,
love and respect
fantastic.
nature. That's like the core here. That's how you
No
float.
plastic, fantastic.
That's how you float here. You can't float here unless you're respecting and loving nature. Then the grace of God will just float you in synchronicities that will make you think you're insane.
But you have to be insane first in order to recognize what's going on around you, because they are in the wrong. They are the wrong judges. The totally wrong judges. Get with the program, get with the teaching, get with the Buddha, get with God. Because God created you. God gave you everything around you. He gave you 5 senses. Now fucking go and develop your 6th sense and come to some sense, because you are killing everything.
Yeah,
You're making it miserable for everybody.
let's start loving everybody
Let's
and having
start loving
compassion,
everybody.
telling
Love,
the truth.
Wisdom, love, compassion. Oh, money.
Understanding we're one organism. We're one organism.
Look, the 3 white birds. Om Ahom. What's our guru? Pema
Om.
Om.
We thank you for watching. God bless you all. We're home. I will see you in another nirvana.